Hello, everyone. My name is Teresa Santos, and I am with Rosa Realty, Miami Lakes and Homestead, and I am here with your Realtor tip of the week. And the Realtor tip for this week is do the right thing. So we know now that in this market, we have buyers that are seeing 15, 20, 30 houses. You're writing up offers left and right. And all of a sudden, they tell you that they've gone or they found a house and they went with another realtor. Now, we all know how that feels because I've been there, and I know that most of you have probably been there as well. So, what I say, do the right thing is if you have a customer that comes to you and is asking you to show them houses, and the first thing you should be asking them is if they're working with a realtor. Because you don't want to do that to someone else. You don't want to do that to another realtor. And I know we're all trying to get business, but do the right thing, because what goes around comes around. And what happens is that it could happen to you and you don't want it to happen to you. So do the right thing. Ask the customer if they're working with a realtor. Now, some customers will tell you no, that they're not working with anyone. But you can ask particular questions like, well, how many houses have you seen? And have you made any offers on any houses yet? If they tell you yes, that they've made offers, or yes, that they've seen some houses, more than likely they've been working with a realtor. And imagine how that realtor is going to feel that you all of a sudden take their customer after they've spent hours and hours showing them houses and making offers. Do the right thing and put that customer back with that realtor. Don't do the wrong thing, because when it happens to you, trust me, it's going to hurt, and you don't want that. That is why this field has gotten the worst reputation ever, because there's realtors out there doing that to other realtors. And we are all in the same game. I'd rather you call that realtor and say, hey, this is what's going on with your client. They're asking me to work with them. I'm willing to split the commission with you or do a referral of some sort, so that other agent can actually make some money as well, especially if they've spent all that time with that other realtor and they haven't been able to find a house, or that their offers weren't accepted. And nowadays that's not the realtor's fault. So please make sure that you do the right thing and ask your customer if they are working with a realtor. Talk to you soon.